Yo, what is going on, you guys? It's Ezzy back with another video on my Acura RSX, and today in this video we're going to be putting on some rear camber arms. So I'll quickly explain what they do. So guys, these are camber arms. They go on the top of your suspension on your back wheels. I'll put a picture up quickly on the screen to explain better. And basically these are adjustable. The stock ones are not adjustable, so it's a set. Your camber is set depending on how high or how low the car is, right? Now with this, I'm not a stancy boy. I want my wheels straight at the back like the front. So with that said, I'm going to be putting the camber arms on to straighten out the back wheels. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so we got the wheels off. So these right here are the camber arms. So you see how these ones are solid. You know, you got the 2 bolts into the chassis here and then the one into the spindle here. So this goes like this. And then let's say we want more negative camber. We shorten the arm and the wheel will go more like this. And if we want more positive camber, make the wheels straighter, we extend them and they go straighter. So what we want to do today is, right now you can see they're a little bit crooked, so I want to straighten them out. So that means I need to put the new camber arms in and then extend them. Okay, so yeah, I'll try and go step by step to explain to you guys how to do everything, and without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, I'm going to show you how to do one side, and then the other side I'm just going to do a quick time lapse. So the first bolt we're going to take out is the one that connects the control arm to the spindle. It's this one, and it should be 17 mil socket. So we're going to take that off. Okay. Alright guys, so that bolt is out. So now we're gonna take these 2 bolts off that bolt into the chassis. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Okay guys, so we got them both out. So look, this is the old one and then this is the new one, you see. So there's the 2 bolts that go here and then the 1 bolt that goes into the spindle over here. And you can see where those bolts go at the bottom of the chassis and then into the spindle. So quickly, I'm gonna adjust them quickly, and then I'm gonna quickly do a time lapse of taking off the other side, and then we're gonna get into putting them on, the new ones. Alright, this side is all off. You can see, got the bolts. Now what I'm gonna do is match up the new ones to the old ones and then put them on the car, and then while they're on the car, then I'm gonna adjust them. Okay, so look guys, we got the shortest it can go, and then just a quick explanation how these work. As I turn this, look, they extend. See, so it's on a screw. Alright, so you see as I turn this, see how this one's longer than that one now? Right? and you can go up until like these rods are about 2 inches thick, so I know that the threads are about that much in there, so you can only go safely like about that much, right? So look at that difference. Right, so depending on which brand you get, these are just I got these off Amazon. I reinforced the sides with some welds just because the C-clips are known to go, so I reinforced the sides of the bushings. So with that, they should be good. You can spend large money. I think these were like 60 bucks. You can spend up to $500 on these parts. All right, so you know, I know K-Tune makes them. I think Skunk 2 makes them. You know, you can get whatever brand you want. Anyway, so with that said, I'm gonna put them on the car and then adjust them the way I want to. Okay guys, so that's the first one done. All attached, it's all tight. Yeah, so as you can see, everything's tight except the adjustment screw, which we're gonna use to adjust the camber. So as you can see, as I turn this, it sticks the wheel further out, and as I turn it the other way, it brings it back in. All right, so everything's tight on this side except the adjustment. Now we're gonna put this side on. Okay guys, so now right side is all done. Only thing that isn't tight is the adjustment screw. So now I'm gonna put the wheels on, see how it sits camber wise, and then I'm gonna show you guys me adjusting them. Let's get back at it. Okay guys, so you see I got the camber arm on. So you see this side is pretty flush, right? Now this side you can tell is not so flush. So this side we got to bring in a little bit, but as we lower the car, it is going to change the geometry, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust that a little bit. So you see, just like that, couple turns and I got it flush. So now I'm gonna put weight on the car, so I'm gonna lower the car. We're gonna adjust the camber how I want it, okay? Okay, so guys, you see just like that, I made the back end flush, just like the front, just by turning that screw. So I'm gonna continue adjusting them, and then I'm gonna resume with you guys when I'm all done. So guys, I got both sides how I want them. I took the car for a quick spin. Everything's good. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. It's my dream fitment. You see how that's flush? Same with the front. And we gotta let the suspension settle a little bit. But look at that. See how that's flush? Pokes just the right amount. And then same with the front. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something in this video. And this was how to put on camber arms on your Acura RSX. And without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.